Okay, the question today was how can I email to an entire group of students in a class? And the answer is through the block called Quickmail. So I just deleted it from my class so I can show you how to add it. I turn on editing, whatever theme you have, turn editing on. Go down to the bottom left hand side or the right hand side if you're using a 2-block theme and add the block called Quickmail. Once you've added Quickmail, put it wherever you want it. I want it on the right hand side because that's where I always put my Quickmail. And there's some things you can set up. You can set up a signature that goes out on all yours. So if I want to set up a signature, I'll call it Brian Poole. I can make a signature if I want to that goes on the bottom so I don't have to sign it every time that I do it. So I'm going to go back to Quickmail and just kind of show you how that works. So students by default can't use it, but you can give them permission to. But let me go ahead and turn editing off so I just see the Quickmail block. So if I want to do it, I just hit compose new email. It by default shows me the students in my class. If I had multiple sections, I could choose a specific section. So I can say all sections, a specific section, all users, or I could just go and say I just want to send one to Mr. Harrison. Whatever I pick, I have to click add once it's highlighted to go on the other side. I can add attachments. I can type the subject. And I can type my message down here. And then at the bottom, it's default, so I'm just going to go ahead and put my signature at the bottom of the email so I don't have to sign it. And you can say, hey, I'd like to receive a copy too. And then when you hit send email, it'll go out to all the students that you have selected up top. I always pick go to myself so that I have a copy. Although, when I go to my emails, I just saved that one as a draft to show you. I can go back into here into Quickmail and click view history, and I can see every email that I have sent out, who got it. I had a problem with this one. It didn't go out, and I fixed it, and then it went out then. So I can see all the hit ones I've sent out this year there. If I save something as a draft, you can see the draft that I just did there. I'm going to go ahead and delete that because I really don't need that draft. And that just goes out looking like it came from you in your email. And that's it for how to use Quickmail in your Moodle class.